Now at Aldi, gonna look for some fruits. That is actually so funny. I love that. My daughter really likes puzzles, so I was thinking of getting those Lilo Stitch ones. My dad would really like this. Oh, perfect fit. Obviously, I'm not gonna wear them with these socks, but it's the perfect fit. You like it? Hi guys, so today's a Saturday. We got a snow day yesterday because there was a blizzard. It's been terrible. Look at the snow. Snow everywhere. It's a lot. But today it is slightly warmer and I'm gonna go to my parents' house. I'm wearing my Galentine's t-shirt because I wanted cozy vibes, really and truly. Sweatpants and pink socks to match. I don't know if I want to do my Adidas sneakers or if I want to do actual snow boots. Oh, and I got these earrings from Target a while back. But yeah, I just felt like wearing earrings. So really, I'm not going to do much. Probably going to wear a beanie. I don't even feel like wearing a wig because I'm going to my parents' house. So yeah, let's go chow and have a good time with the parents. I really want to go to a beach too.
Where'd you go beach?
Girl, I look so scara. Good afternoon. Because what do you mean I just rolled out of bed and it's 11:25 a.m. Woke up craving a seafood boil as well as granola. So I think I'm gonna make a seafood boil for brunch and I will make granola for meal prep breakfast for the next couple of days. I'm gonna put my eggs in there. Are you down? Are you down? Here we go. Down, we'll be fine, we'll be fine. This is not a 4-quart pot though. I think I need to change my pot. Oh, this is so cute. They put the sausage in its own. And we got some shrimp, crab legs, and corn. And this one's already got the seasoning. That's nice. So I think I have to do the corn first. I think this is 4 quart. I want to say. Not sure. But I gotta add 2 cups of water in here. I'm trying to clean my oven. I did not think that one through because now I'm choking. Anyway, I'm gonna add the corn first. Since the corn is this side of the bag, might as well open up this side. I've got this weird thing. I don't like touching food. It just grosses me out. So for 3 minutes, it's 11:28 right now. I feel like I need to add more corn. I actually do have more corn. this for the bus. I'm actually gonna sleep after this. I just opened this, it's already this much left. I'm gonna take one more slice, I promise. And I wanna leave the rest for my daughter, because, yeah. But I love her pound cake. I don't eat pound cake anywhere else as much as I eat Renee's pound cake. That's how good it is. I'm excited! 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ding, 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 ding! Boom, 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 boom! This is what the final result looks like. I don't know. I feel like I want to bake them a little bit more. But I think this is okay. It's important not to overdo things. I am going to let that completely cool down. And then I'm gonna make some Greek yogurt, put those as toppings, the granola. And then I also want to do like fruit on the top. And then more honey, because the honey that I put, it's not that much. So, yeah. Taste. Let's mix it all up. It's really giving parfait. Okay, it is freezing cold. Oh my gosh. Time to go home. Hi guys, I have a bit of a blinding headache right now. I think I'm gonna close off this vlog now with like a montage of where I'm going now, which is a cultural evening here at the university. So yeah, bye. Take care of yourselves and your mental health.